welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and install X-Ray in Minecraft 1.13. But as you can see, this actually isn't using mods. So what you see right here, the actual X-Ray mod, the good X-Ray mod that can be turned on and turned off, yeah, throw it out the window, right? It needs to go away. We're going to be using this, which is an X-Ray texture pack. Currently, Forge and Light Loader and everything that you can use to get X-Ray and the actual good X-Ray mod doesn't work in 1.13 because that stuff's still being updated. However, X-Ray does work if you use it as a texture pack, which is what we are going to be doing today. Now, I will say this, if you're going to use X-Ray on a server, you're going to get banned for it, especially if you use it on our server, which is play.breakdowncraft.com. It's not up and running yet, but by the time you're watching this video, probably a week or two after it comes out, it'll be up and running. You can come play with us. It's a survival server, but just be warned, if you use X-Ray, we've got people actively looking for it all the time, and you will be banned for it. However, there is one kind of Minecraft server that you can use X-Ray on without any chance of getting banned, and that is when you host yourself. For hosting your own Minecraft server, I would recommend going to the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/MC server, to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server from game servers running 1.13 or really any other version of Minecraft that you want to run. It's quick, it's easy to set up, and yeah, we personally use them ourselves and absolutely love them, so go check that out. Again, that's the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/MC server. Nevertheless, how do you install this X-Ray? Well, it's pretty simple. All you want to do is go to the second link down below. It will take you off to here where you want to click on the orange download button. It will then download it in the bottom left, and since it's a texture pack, we shouldn't even have to keep the file. It should just download. No curse, Forge is being a little bit slow getting us the download today. It's working down there. It's just not downloading. Wait, it's waiting for it. It's waiting for it. We're just going to give a jump cut. There it goes. There it goes. No jump cut needed. Jumps right over here, and we can begin the download. Boom. There in the bottom left is X-Ray. You might have to keep the file. Most likely you won't. If it doesn't download for 1.13, if it doesn't say 1.13 there, no worries. Just come back to this page, and instead of clicking the download button up there, what you want to do is click on earlier versions right here, and then you'll be able to find the 1.13 version of the X-Ray mod. Nevertheless, if we minimize this, or not X-Ray mod, the ultimate X-Ray texture pack. So if we want to install this, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and open up Minecraft, the Minecraft launcher we have here. We want to load into the latest release, 1.13, and then we just want to go to options once we're on this main menu. And this time, though, I do want to remind you to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more awesome Minecraft content nearly every single day. Once we're here, let's go ahead and click on the options button there. Find the resource packs tab and go ahead and click on open resource pack. As you can see, actually there it is from where we've installed it previously, doing some testing. I wanted to make sure this worked before I send it over to you guys, basically. So here's this, and all we want to do is in this resource pack folder that again we opened up by just clicking the open resource pack folder button, we want to take X-Ray Ultimate and drag it over into it. Now this one I did notice you have to click done, then go back into your resource pack folder, and here it is. Something else that's great is this does actually work over top of other resource packs. One thing we'll notice once we get in the game here, it is a little bit annoying and it's hard to see ores at times. So if you want to see more ores and do that a little bit better, you can most definitely check out Optifine at the eye right above my face at the top of the screen, and it has some stuff to allow you to turn the brightness up. And as you can see, we're testing X-Ray down here, and we do in fact, we can see redstone over there. If we kind of walk over this way, I think I see some diamonds off in the distance right over there. See that? Kind of cheeky over in the distance over there. So that is, that's how you can get X-Ray in 1.13. This also does work with chest. I don't have any way to show you that, but it does, in fact, work to get chest installed as well. So nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Come play on our server, play.breakdowncraft.com, and again, if you use X-Ray, you will be banned. Just a forewarning. Anyway, guys, my name is Nick. This has been The Breakdown, and I'm out, guys. Peace.